Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Drive files private again. If you've accidentally shared a Google Drive file with everyone or set it to anyone with a link, and now you want to make it private again, don't worry, it only takes a few clicks to fix it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your Google Drive files private again, step by step. So go to drive.google.com in your browser and sign in to your account. Now, find the file or folder. So locate the file or folder you want to make private, right-click on it, then click on Share. Now check Current Access. So in the sharing window, look for something like Anyone with a link. So that's usually under General Access, and this means your file is currently public. Now, change this to Restricted, so click the drop down next to it, then select Restricted. Now this removes public access immediately. If there are people listed under People with Access, you can click the drop down next to their name, select Remove Access. So only keep people who should still have permission. Now once done, click on Done down here to apply everything. And now your file is now private again. Even if you remove public access, people who already downloaded the file may still have a copy. So always double check before sharing sensitive content. And that's it, your Google Drive file is now secure and private again. Thanks for watching.